Hello guys, I am Ms. Mythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics at KSR Arts and Science College for Women, Tiruchendur. Today we see about food science. So before enter into the session, I explain what is food. Food is defined as anything solid or liquid which allowed to swallow, digested and assimilated in our body. So let us see food science. Food science is a multidisciplinary actions, especially nature, composition and processing of food. It deals with the study and also the food physical, biological and chemical makeup, as well as the causes of food degradation and the principles of food processing. So essentially, food science aims to enhance food safety, nutrition quality and availability for the public. So let us see how foods are classified on the basis of their action. So there are the three types. First one is energy giving foods. Like carbohydrates and fats are the major source of giving energy in our body. So for example, wheat, rice, sugar, potato, oil, ghee, butter, etc. So this provides the energy for the process like breathing, movement, locomotion, etc. So the second one is body building foods. So the protein is the important nutrient for our body building. So the proteins are come derived from the various food groups, such as milk, pulses, eggs, meat, fish, etc. So the last one is productive foods. The type of food protect us from disease and hazards, like the vitamins and minerals plays a key role in the productive of our body. So, based on the ICMR, food groups are classified as a five categories. The first one is fruits and vegetables, and the second one protein. The third one is fats and oils, and the fourth one carbohydrate, and the last dairy like milk and milk products. So, these are the five food groups or should be included in our diet every day. So now let's see what is food pyramid. Food pyramid is the general healthy population, a guide for the amount of types food to be included in our diet, like cereals, pasta, bread, cereals. These are the groups comes under the major servings, 6 to 11 servings. After that, the vegetable and fruit groups are included in our food pyramid diet. After that, 2 to 3 servings are milk, yogurt, cheese, meat, poultry, fish. These are included in our diet. And the last, using sparingly amount is fats, oils, and sweets. So these are the derivatives of foods classified as a pyramid. So now let's see cereals and millets. So cereals and millets are stable food sources composed primarily of carbohydrate, with millets also be rich in protein, dietary fiber and micronutrients. So cereals like wheat, rice, maize are known for their high carbohydrate content and provide essential energy. Also, the other minerals and vitamins are also presented in our cereals and millets especially. So millets such as finger millet, pear millet are often considered nutri cereals because it's a higher protein content, fiber and micronutrients like iron, calcium compared to other cereals. What are the cooking effects means significantly alter the nutritional and sensory properties during the cooking. So the effect of cooking on cereals and millets significantly alter their nutritional and sensory properties in the food. Not only at the stage of cooking, before the milling process, soaking process, sprouting process can affect the nutritional properties in our food. In millet particularly exhibits notable changes in its nutritional profile and antioxidant activity based on how it's processed and cooked. Now, pulses and legumes. So, the legumes are plants from the family Fabaceae, which includes beans, peas, lentils, chickpeas, and peanuts. So, pulses are the edible seeds of legumes, also derived from the subset of legumes. So, the common pulses are example beans, lentils, peas, and chickpeas. So, what is the key difference between pulses and legumes means? So legumes are entire family of plants that produce pods with seeds, including both edible and inedible varieties. But in the pulses, the edible seeds are those legume plants commonly consumed as food. Okay, now we enter into the fruits and vegetables in the food groups. So fruits and vegetables are based on the part of plant they originate from, right? So fruits are botanically defined as ripened ovary of a flowering plant containing seeds. On the other hand, vegetables or any other edible part of a plant, such as root, stem, leaves, or flowers. So, fruits and vegetables are packed with dense of nutrients, especially vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. It plays a key role in to maintain a disease-free health. So they are also naturally low in fat, sodium, and calories, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. So the low in fat, sodium, and calories are avoid heart disease, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, etc. So these are the various food groups involved in the food science. Thank you.